iManage co-authoring. Collaborating with multiple stakeholders to finalize a document can be a challenge. iManage Work enables better collaboration with comprehensive document co-authoring capabilities directly from the familiar iManage Work interface. iManage Work's co-authoring function gives multiple users the ability to review and edit documents simultaneously, while retaining a single document owner. The users with whom you are sharing the document do not need to have iManage DeskSite installed on their systems. When getting co-authored, a document is in checked out stage. After the updates from users are complete, you can check in the new version of the document in iManage DeskSite. You can also choose to not include any updates that you may feel are not required. This also ensures that multiple versions of the document are not generated. Let's understand how to go about it step by step. Co-authoring from iManage DeskSite. When signed in to iManage DeskSite, you get to view documents available in the document repository. To start with the co-authoring process, select the Co-authoring tab. From the list of documents displayed, select the document that you wish to co-author. You can share only Microsoft Office files, and that too one at a time. Select Invite People. This action checks out the document if it is not a checked out document already. If you are not signed in to Microsoft Office, the system prompts you to do so. Sign in to proceed. In the Editors and Viewers fields, you may enter the email addresses of users with whom you want to share the document. As the field names indicate, editors can update a document, whereas viewers have read-only access to the document. To add multiple users, separate them with a semicolon followed by a space. The Share button gets enabled only if the email address specified is in the valid format and cannot share with users with whom it is already shared. You may alternatively choose to select the book icon adjacent to these fields to search for the required users present in the domain. Enter any specific instructions or requirements that you want to communicate with your co-authors in the Message field. Before you share the document with the intended co-authors, you can choose to have a quick look at your email message to be sure that everything is perfect. Selecting the Preview Email Before Sending checkbox displays a preview of your email in your default mail client upon sharing. Select Share. If the selected document has newer versions available, the system prompts you to choose from Latest or Selected Versions. In the previous step, if you had selected the Preview Email Before Sending checkbox, your default email client opens. Preview your email, make any changes if required, and select Send. The email is sent to the intended recipients and the document is checked out to your OneDrive location. Editing the document. If you wish to edit the document after inviting the recipients, you can select Co-authored Documents from the Co-authoring tab and then select Open to edit the document you shared with the recipients. At this point, you can also choose to invite additional recipients to co-author the document. As co-editors, recipients receive the invite to co-author a document. The email invite contains an NRL link and a web link to the shared document. Recipients can choose either of the following links to open the document and start co-authoring. NRL opens the document in its native application if you have an iManage Work desktop. Web link opens the document in the Office application online. In the online mode, recipients can choose to edit in the web browser or in the native application. If the recipients are editing the document in parallel, you will be notified of the same. If co-editors update a document simultaneously in online mode, they can instantly view one another's changes. To view the simultaneous edits in the native application, save the document to refresh the view. Note: when multiple users are editing the same line in the co-authored document, an error message appears stating, "You can't make this change because the selection is locked." An icon indicating the activities being performed by co-authors is shown in the ribbon bar. To view the activities in real time, hover over the icon. Syncing a co-authored document. After the recipients have finished working on the document and closed it, you must select the checked out co-authoring document from the document list and select Sync on the co-authoring ribbon. A dialog box appears asking you to confirm if you want to synchronize the document from your OneDrive to iManage Work. Select Yes. If any of the recipients are still editing the document, a confirmation dialog appears. Select Yes. The document remains checked out, but the version number is updated in the version column of the document grid. This can be useful in scenarios where the document is being modified over a period of time, but other users who are not a part of co-authoring want to view and track the changes being made to the document. Viewing the document revision. Revision history shows you the changes made to the document in OneDrive as separate revisions that provide details such as the time, date, and author name. For external users, the email ID is displayed. It enables you to view the exact changes that were made to the content during each revision. You can also select the checkboxes for any 2 revisions and select Compare to compare them. Details of edits made by co-editors are displayed. Note: the revision history functionality queries the OneDrive repository and is only applicable while a file is in co-authoring mode. After check-in, the command is not available. Finishing a co-authoring session. Only the user who initiated the checkout can complete the co-authoring session. All other users must close the document, and you must also close the document if it is open in other devices. Otherwise, you receive an error that the document is in use. Select a checked-out co-authoring document from the document list. Navigate to the Co-authoring tab. Select Finish on the Co-authoring tab. In the dialog box that appears, Replace Original replaces the existing document in iManage Work repository, and there is no change in the version number. New Version, default option, saves the latest document as an incremental version number of the document. New Document opens the iManage Save As dialog box that enables you to select the location where you want to save the document. Select one of the options for check-in and then select OK. The Document Versions tab displays this latest version along with other previous versions.